Dear student, today I am going to start our new topic related to the integer operation on integers. So operation on integer, operation on integers. You have completed that first exercise 2.1, and then after we are going to start exercise 2.2 with this topic. This topic is going to be help you to solve that your problem. So first one is that operation on integer. In this one I'm taking first point, how to add two integers, addition of integers. In addition of integer there is two rules. I'm going to explain that rules one by one. First rule is this one. Rule first, for a like signs, means that in this like signs means that same sign, means if we taking A and B both are positive, or if we are taking minus A and minus B both are negative. So that rule is based on a like sign. In this one, add the numerical values, not considering their signs. Okay, then give their sum as a common add the numerical values not considering their signs, then give their sum as a common like sign, Okay students, this is the first rule, common like sign. Add the numerical values not considering their signs and then give their sum as a common like sign. So by using this rule I'm going to solve some examples. First I'm taking that example, taking a two integers 111 plus 11. Here is 111 is a positive and 11 is also a positive. So without taking their sign, I am taking this numerical value of 111 is a 111 and plus is there. So we write this plus, and then after we are taking the numerical value of 11, that one is the 11. If we add this one, we get it 122, and it's a common sign, means that both are a positive, there is also a positive. Second example, this one is the first example for this, taking a same signs. Second one is a minus 111 plus, we are adding this one, minus 11. In this case both are negative. So without taking their sign, I am taking the numerical value of minus 111, that one is a 111 plus the numerical value of minus 11, that one is a 11. Add this one and put the sign as a common like sign before the sum. Here I am putting the minus sign. So what you will get it? Minus 122. So this is a very useful for you. Add the numerical values not considering their signs, then give their sum as a common like sign. One more example, if you take same as it is, third one is Suppose if we take a minus 104 plus minus 4. If I am taking this one, so take this the numerical value of minus 104. That one is a 104 plus numerical value of minus 4 is 4, and then after numerical value of minus 4 is 4. Put the bracket and then put the common like sign. Its common like sign is a minus, so we put the minus sign there. Add this value, we get it minus 108. Rule second, addition of integer. First rule I have discussed it. Now that rule 2. In this one, if unlike sign, we are going to do that addition for unlike signs. Means that opposite signs. We are going to discuss here opposite signs. Suppose if a is there and second integer is a minus a. Second one we are discussing here minus a, and second integer is a plus rb only. So here is an unlike sign. Both have a different sign. One is a positive, other is negative. First one is a positive, negative, then second one is a positive. So we are going to discuss here unlike sign, how to add this one. So first we find the difference. Your rule is this one, find the difference between the numerical values, not considering numerical values, not considering their signs. Then give the difference the sign of numerically larger integer. Numerically larger integer. Listen students, first you understand this rule. Find the difference between the numerical values. First we are going to find that the difference and without considering their signs, and then give the difference. Whatever the difference, you will get it, the sign of a numerically larger integer. Okay, so I'm going to show this one with the example. Suppose if I take this one, here I have taken 122 first integer plus here I have taken minus 20. This is a positive and this one is a negative. According to your rule, find the difference between them. Find the difference between the numerical values, and these rules hold for two integer. So first we find that the difference. Find the difference 122 minus 20, and then not considering their sign. Find the difference between the numerical values not considering their signs. Then give the difference the sign of numerically larger integer. So in this one 120 and 20, which one is the larger in this one? 120, and its sign is a, there is nothing, means that it is a positive. So we are going to take this a positive sign. So we are not going to write it here. So 120 minus 20, what if we get it? That one is a 100. So this is the first example how to add two integer of a different sign. Second example, if I take this one minus 120, if I am going to add into 20, it is also very easy. If unlike signs, then we find that the difference of 120 minus 20, and then put the sign of this before this difference whose value is larger in this one. So 20 and 120, which one is the larger in this one? 120. And what is the sign of 120? That one is a minus, so we are going to write it here minus. Find the difference of this one. 120 minus 20, we get it 100, and that sign is a minus. So these two rules, by using these two rules, you can simply add two integers very easily. Students, by using these two rules, you can add integers, okay, in your homework copy. And in next video, I'm going to discuss properties of integers. Properties of integer. Okay, that one is a closure property, commutative property, associative property, and some basic properties related to the addition, subtraction, multiplication, as well as the division. Okay, thank you, friend.